Namaste, this is Dr. Lakshmi. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in this video I am going to show very important stretches for lumbar lordosis. Lumbar lordosis is a natural curve which we have in the lower back. There is a curve and this is a natural one which we all have. This curvature helps our body to absorb shock and also keeps us stable and flexible. But in some people, due to wrong posture, due to excess fat in the belly, or due to osteoporosis and weakness of bones, there may be increased curvature. That means the curve in the lower back increases, too much pushed forward, and this condition is known as hyperlordosis or lumbar hyperlordosis. So there will be an anterior tilt of the pelvic bone. So there is a defect in the posture. So it looks like this, as you can see in the picture. So this anterior tilt or the lumbar hyperlordosis can be cured very well by doing certain exercises and yoga stretches, which will help to correct our posture and also strengthen the tummy muscles, because if there is weakness of tummy muscles and weakness of glutes, this may intensify. So we need to strengthen tummy muscles, the core, and also the glutes, okay, and also the hamstrings. These all will help to strengthen and keep the pelvis in position. Okay, so let's start. First we'll do the sitting postures. Cobbler pose, feet together, hold your toes, deep breath in, back straight. Breathe in, try to push your knees down and breathing out. Slowly bend as much you can, bend over your toes without lifting your knees. Push them down and bend over your toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can see this is very good stretch for your back and for your glutes. Okay, the next one is stretch your legs, cross the right leg over the left, breathe in and try to reach your toes. If you can reach, if you cannot, just hold and try to stretch and bend over your knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe in and uncross. As there is increased curve here, we need to do always forward bends to counterpose that curvature or the arch. Okay, so uncross again, cross the left leg over the right, breathe in, breathing out, reach your toes, bend over your knees, straight knees, don't lift, press your knees down, don't lift your knees. 1, 2, feel the stretch and keep taking deep breaths. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And breathe. Come up. Now we have to do the hip opening and strengthening of glute muscles. Come up into plank. Okay, don't lift your hips, don't drop them. Keep straight hips, engage your core, tight butts. Breathe in. Now bring your right foot beside your right hand, if you can bring. If you cannot, wherever you can bring. If you can bring till here, okay. Okay, bring it here, opening your hips. Now if you can, rest your knee and go down onto your elbows. You can see a lot of stretch here and also in the hips. This is very good stretch for lumbar lordosis. Breathe in, breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hands down, lift yourselves up, tuck your toes. Breathe in and take a leg back into plank. We'll repeat with the other leg. Breathe in. Bring your left foot beside your left hand. Breathing in now. If you cannot go down, rest your knees. Okay, you can just remain here. Or if you can, touch your knees down and untuck your toes. Slowly go down onto your elbows. If you cannot do this, you can just remain here. This also gives a lot of stretch in the butt and in the lower back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you feel you can do it, you can come down onto your elbows. 1, 2, 3, deep breathing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hands down, tuck your toes, lift your hips up and take a leg back. Now you can rest in Vajrasana. Relax your hips and thighs by sitting into Vajrasana. Okay, now separate your knees. Okay, breathe in. Breathing out, slowly come forward, hands down and walk your hands. Bring your chest down, forehead down. You can see again you are doing forward bend and also you are trying to stretch your lower back. Forehead down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe, come up. Okay, one more important yoga exercise is to do the donkey kicks. So come up into animal pose, adjust your knees hip distance and hands shoulder distance. Stretch your right leg and just kick up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This way you can do, or bend leg and lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And relax for some time. Take a break and repeat with the other leg. Come up into and pose. Stretch leg, left leg back, and now kick it straight. Either this way you can do 1. But to keep your spine neutral, don't drop your spine and don't arch it. Keep it neutral, a straight spine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, either this way or you can bend and kick up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And sit back, relax in child pose. Breathe in and rise up. Okay, now lie down on your back. Now hug your knees. Bring your knees over your tummy and chest. Hug them tightly with both hands. Breathe in. Breathing out. If you are okay with your neck, just lift and bring your chin to the knees if you can. If you're not okay, just hug your knees tightly and hold here. Again, you are trying to reverse the curvature or the lumbar lordosis. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax your head. Bring your legs down and stretch one leg at a time. Relax. Take a break. Okay, one more important stretch is bridge pose. So bend your legs. Your feet should be hip distance and adjust your knee and ankle in one line. Either hold your ankles or you can stretch your hands up. Any way you can do. I'll show this one. Breathe in, stretch hands up. As you breathe out, squeeze your butt. Squeeze tightly and slowly lift your hips. Push, push, push up. Here we need to squeeze the butt and also stretch our spine. Keep your butts tight and also engage your core. Breathe in, breathe out. This is also a very good stretch for lumbar lordosis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly bring your hips down. As I said, we have to strengthen our butts and core. So this is very good stretch. Hold for 20 counts. As you become used to, you try to hold for more counts. That's how we can tighten and strengthen the glutes. Okay, feet together, draw up your knees, relax.